Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the essentials. Choose a clear niche and register a domain that matches it. This guides everything else. Once done, buy a hosting plan that fits expected traffic, then use the host's one-click installer to set up WordPress or another CMS. Make sure to enable HTTPS immediately for security. Next, log into the admin panel and confirm email, user roles, and basic site title so you have a working dashboard to continue building. Now focus on the middle work. Choose a lightweight, responsive theme and test layouts on desktop and mobile. Visual consistency increases trust. Then install essential plugins, SEO, caching, firewall security, and automated backups, and configure permalinks for readable URLs. Once done, create the main site structure by adding categories, menus, and author profiles. Set meta templates for title and description so new posts inherit good SEO. Make sure to preview sample posts to verify styles and spacing. Finish by preparing launch content and checks. Write and publish 3 to 5 cornerstone posts, attach featured images, and schedule initial social shares. Then connect Google Analytics and Search Console, submit your sitemap, and confirm pages are indexed. This drives initial discoverability. Once live, set up automated backups and test the contact form. If pages won't load or show errors, clear cache, disable recent plugins. Then re-enable one at a time to isolate the conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.